Alright, hear me out. You wake up tomorrow, scroll through your phone, and boom, breaking news. The sun is gone. No sunrise, no warm glow, just blackness. Now, before you start panic Googling how to make fire with sticks, let's talk about what actually happens when the universe pulls a Now You See Me on our star. First off, no, you wouldn't notice immediately, because light takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to travel from the sun to Earth. Meaning, for a little over 8 minutes, life would go on as if nothing happened, until bam, pitch black. The sky wouldn't even have a pretty sunset or dramatic fade out, just an instant transition to pure darkness. Like the universe forgot to pay its electricity bill. And for those of you thinking, oh cool, it's just nighttime all the time now. Bro, this isn't some aesthetic cottagecore, live by candlelight scenario. This is game over mode. Within hours, cities would look like a post-apocalyptic movie. No sun means no more solar power, so unless you've got a nuclear reactor in your backyard, get ready for a world of dead batteries and students. The moon? Gone too. It doesn't glow on its own genius, it reflects sunlight. So now we've got a floating, soulless grey rock in the sky. And stars? Oh, they'd still be there, but you wouldn't give a shit, because right now, you're realizing that the planet is about to die. You ever complain about weather? Try surviving when Earth's surface drops to 32 within 24 hours. And that's just the beginning. Within a year, 100. At that point, the only people surviving are either underground or somehow still arguing on Twitter. Oceans? First they'd get a nice little layer of ice. Then, over the next 1,000 years, they'd completely freeze solid. But here's the twist. Deep down near hydrothermal vents, water might stay liquid for a while. So technically, some deep-sea creatures could survive. Translation: jellyfish and crabs will outlive us. Great. Okay, here's the real kicker. The sun isn't just a big flashlight, it's literally the reason we're in orbit. No sun, no gravitational pull. Meaning, Earth would drift off into space like an aimless shopping cart. Now, this isn't some fast and furious hyperspeed exit. It'd take us months to start feeling the change. But after a while, we're just a sad little planet, floating endlessly into the cosmic abyss. With no sun, photosynthesis die. Plants, dead. Animals, dead. Humans, also very, very dead. Oxygen doesn't just disappear, but eventually the atmosphere itself would start freezing and collapsing onto the surface. Imagine going outside and seeing chunks of frozen air falling from the sky. Now let's say you're one of those prepper types with a bunker and an unhealthy amount of canned beans. Can you survive? Technically, yes. If you live underground near a geothermal hotspot, you might last a few decades. But eventually, it's lights out, buddy. Only hope? Colonizing another planet before Earth turns into a frozen space tomb. And considering NASA still struggles to make a decent space toilet, good luck with that. So if the sun disappeared tomorrow, we're royally fucked. Within a few years, Earth would be a dead, drifting ice ball, and the last humans would be choking on frozen air in underground bunkers. Moral of the story: next time you complain about the sun being too hot, just remember, the alternative is way worse. So maybe go outside, soak up some sunlight, and be grateful this flaming ball of nuclear chaos hasn't ditched us. Yet. Because once it does, Good luck with that. Muck with that.